This is Mileseey GPF12 Golf Rangefinder. So in this video, I'm going to open the box and let's test the function. Even though this is winter and the temperature around zero and to its limits, but we're gonna see how good or bad it performs. Let's get started. So this is the pack. You see that it's very hard. It's like a hard case, and here you can hook on something from the front, and this is the back. Very convenient. And this is the rangefinder. The body is made of hard plastic, and the front is like a rubber. You can adjust it, and the button are rubbers, and other place are hard plastic. I think the bottom is kind of rubber plastic, kind of you can grip it, but it's hard. And this is the slope adjustment. And on the top they got two menus. This yardometer, this is power on. You can start to measure right away. In the package you got USB 2 to USB-C, and you got a lanyard, and you got a cloth and instruction. So now in the front there's some trees. Now I'm gonna check the function. I'm trying my best. 29 meters, the tree behind it. 30 meters, trees behind it. 40, and then behind it 59, and then further. So that's 102. Over there I see some people. 33, 37. You see 42. The guy's walking fast. Wow, it's good. I think it's pretty accuracy, and it just give you result instantly. You see, and you see that even 60 meters you can still see pretty clear. 65 now. Yeah, it's pretty good. It got another function, slope. So let's open it up. When I turn on the slope, it can lock the flag, and you press it. Now it's locked, and we measure the other part. Today is pretty cold. Now it's below zero, and it works fine. It got 7.5 large view angle, wider and broader horizons. The maximum range is 1100 yards. High accuracy plus or minus 0.5 yard, and fast readings in 0.5 seconds. Waterproof with rain and fog mode. I really like this. Hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.